Hi there folks, welcome to the week ahead starting Monday 5th of August. Now, I have recorded this video before I've gone away on vacation, so do be aware that the cheat sheet will be very important this week. I'm just looking ahead so that we have something to take the pressure off Mornay, who's been covering very kindly the video sessions and the cheat sheet. I'm going to be back in the desk on the 5th of August. But what I wanted to do is just have this up in advance, recorded before, so people have got it in good time. And then I'll be doing another set of analysis in the cheat sheet. But this is just me looking ahead, bearing in mind that market conditions might change a little bit. So that's a little caveat. Be aware of it. But I wanted to show you what's looking very likely to be of impact. So looking on the Monday, 5th of August, the things that are jumping out at me, the ISM prints. Very important services PMI. We know that 70% US GDP comes from its service sector. So the sentiment in the services sector is incredibly important, and a big miss there. And you'd like to see dollar weakness. Expectations of interest rate cuts will increase, particularly, and the likelihood of deeper potentially Fed cuts if that's a big miss. So ISM data is important. RBA interest rate decision. We've seen the last CPI data from Australia. It's been pushing higher. The last labour print has been showing continued tightness in the labour market. The pressure is on. Be interesting to see what the RBA communicate. If they start communicating more of a domestic inflation issue, inflation stickier than they thought, maybe even start tinkering with the idea of an interest rate hike, then look for further Aussie New Zealand dollar upside. So I can see that divergence. That divergence could grow between the RBA and the RBNZ at the time of making this video. So that's the first thing I'd think of looking ahead. Then going through the rest of the day, very quiet for Tuesday. New Zealand labour data, obviously a big miss there. That will keep the New Zealand dollar pressured. But, maybe not a major market mover. Wednesday, very quiet. Canadian IV PMIs, not something that I'll be looking at. We know the broad picture for Canada. And then Thursday, 8th of August, again, very quiet. I'm just going to check on the 9th of August, just reached the limit what our calendar can pull up in terms of data ahead. So I'm just going to have a look. Yeah, and on the Friday, the 9th of August, it's not on this calendar yet because I'm doing this so far in advance. We're not able to populate the calendar yet. But if you look on the 9th of August, there is some CAD labour data. That will be important for the Bank of Canada that are looking to cut interest rates to take pressure off all those mortgage holders having to renew on higher levels. So a weakness in the labour market is going to increase the likelihood of deeper or more Bank of Canada interest rate cuts. So that's what we're looking for. They're the main events. As I said, this is done well in advance, but I will be updating the cheat sheet and back in the desk on Monday, and so all the analysis on the cheat sheet will be up to speed by then, and we'll be ready to go. And don't forget, any risk events we'll be covering live. Do look out for any information in the back end, and I look forward to being back at my desk and getting stuck in. Take care, have a good week, speak soon.